Hey everyone, I saw Endgame posted a question earlier about how it is that you can mod one of the stadiums that I've put together, or really any of the stadiums that I think Eric Jeff or Silam have also kind of done. And so I just wanted to put together kind of a short video showing you how it is you can do that. In order to do this, I decided to use one of the stadiums that I've been working on recently, but haven't released yet. It's Cessna Field, and it's based off of the models that have been put out for the new stadium in Wichita, Kansas. Now, you'll notice that I have branded this one for a specific team. In this case, it's named after the Jets, which is the logo that Lowe put together. So let's just say you decide you want to do something different, and that instead of using the logo for the Jets, you want to put up a picture of a certain Brewers pitcher that looks like one of your friend's husbands. What you can do is if you navigate to the directory for the field in the models portion of the in the models portion of the out of the park file directory, you can then go to the textures file and find the specific texture you want to change. So in this particular instance, we want to change the video board. We want to change the video board image in order to bring in a different picture. Now, what I've done in my models is that I've included a templates folder, and so this is the GIMP template that I've used when I'm putting together the different textures that show up inside of the stadiums that are unique or customizable. So in this particular instance, we want to change out the video board. So I'm going to open that up, and then I'm going to get rid of this text since that's not going to be a part of our new video board. And then I'm going to open as a layer and insert the picture that I had recently downloaded that I want to use instead. And I'm going to make it so that picture is big enough to cover the whole video board. Then I'm going to go to File, Save As, and I'm going to save this in the Cessna Field Textures, overwriting, or actually, I'm going to go File, Export As, and then I'm going to put it in the Cessna Field Textures, and I'm going to find the video board texture. And I'm going to overwrite that. And then when I go back into the model, I'm going to reload it, and it should pop up in the background back on the scoreboard, and so we'll see that pop up in a minute. And so you can go and change out any of the different textures in the game that show up, especially things like the home and away dugouts or the video ribbons that go around the board or the scoreboards in the background. They're all customizable if you go in and modify the specific JPEG or .png file that is saved in that directory. And so you see back here, we now have Brandon Woodruff in place of the Let's Go Jets board that we had before. So that is the simple process for how you can change out any of the different logos or any of the different files that exist inside of the game. If you want to customize it, if you want to change the location, if you want to change the background, put in a different city, they can all be modified. So that's the process, and I hope that is helpful for you as you're thinking about how to make these stadiums a little bit more your own. If you have any other questions, you feel free to put them in the thread or send me a personal message. Thanks, everyone.